Guys, most traders show you the challenge, but today we are starting something different. This is episode 1 of the funded account series, the life accounts. I'm taking you step by step from my first trade all the way to the withdrawal. Yeah, and this is the part of trading nobody chose you. What's up guys, it's your boy Samuel Tochi. So the funded account is live already. I've passed both phases. Yes, the phase 1 and phase 2. Now I'm trading for real money. Yes, I'm trading for real money, and you are watching every step till I get my withdrawal. The problem I'm going to be using for this particular series, once in a while, like I think twice every year, I do a particular problem challenge where I trade a particular account and walk you through the whole process till I get a withdrawal. That is, if eventually I get a withdrawal. So the problem I'm going to be using for this particular series is Tranquility Traders. Yes, it's a new problem that is just hitting Nigeria. Yeah, they've been in the industry for a while now, but they are just coming into Nigeria newly, right? So that's the problem I'm going to be using for this particular series. Now, I'm not going to be doing this particular series alone. I want to carry everyone along. I know this is we're getting to the Xmas season where a lot of people would be are supposed to be enjoying with your family, but guys, I want you guys to lock in and make enough money, yes, for next year. Yes, you need to make enough money for next year, not just trying to enjoy. In as much as you are spending enough time with your family, you also need to be making enough money, because remember, it's still money you're going to spend during this period and all, right? So I'm going to be doing this particular stuff for 3 years this Christmas season. Just see it as my Christmas gift to everyone, right? This is how the whole process is going to work, right? So this is like the first part of this particular series, more like the introduction phase. So the second phase, because on the account I'm trading, which is a 2-phase account, which I've passed the first 1 and phase 2, I think on the life accounts, once I trade up to 3 trading days, right, I can request for a withdrawal so far as I've hit above 3% or at least 3%, you understand? So I'm going to be, the second series, right, of this particular video is going to be the withdrawal process. That is, if I make this particular amount this new week, because today is Sunday, right? Yes, today is Sunday, right? So if I make this particular amount this new week, then I'm going to be posting the part 2, right? Even if I don't make it, I'm still going to be posting the part 2 on how you could also join this particular challenge. All you just need to do is go straight to the description box, use the particular link, right, my link below, to get an account, because they have one of the best prices in the forex prop firm market, because you could get an account of 5k for as low as I think $38. And also, if you use my promo code, right, showing on the screen now, you could get a 20% discount. That's crazy. With that low price, you could still get a 20% discount. Now, all you just need to do is get an account and then join me on this whole process. Yes, if I eventually get a withdrawal, because I've already go through the whole phases already on this particular one. So if I get a withdrawal this new week, right, I'm going to be creating a group whereby anybody that gets an account here can join, and I'm going to get a new account also, where we'll now get to trade both the phase 1, the phase 2, and eventually the life account together, right, this new this new week, and also this new month that is already coming in, right? So we get to trade it together and eventually get a withdrawal before the month end, because yes, it, like I said, once you get to the life account, once you trade like 3 days and you're up 3%, you could withdraw. Yes, you could withdraw. So like I said, there is no hidden rules on this platform. You can go through the Q&A, check everything. No hidden rules. Their rules are smooth and easy. Yes, smooth and easy. That's one of the reasons why I choose Tranquility Traders for this particular series. What you need to do is now go straight to the description box. Like I said, create an account down now. Yes, go create an account, because I'm also going to be doing a giveaway on my next video. Yes, I'm going to be giving out several accounts too, and also I'm going to be creating an opportunity where you don't just get the account, but you can also trade personally with me. Click the link in the description box to join my Telegram, where I'll be dropping an update or the link to the new group where you are going to be joining, so we can do this challenge together. Guys, I just want us to lock in together this new month and make a good amount of money this new month. Now let me walk you through the platform so you could see for yourself, right? So get the link to this particular platform, right? You can use my link, go to the description box or the pinned comments to access this particular platform. Like I said, they have two-step accounts, 1-step and an instant, but the one I'm using is the 2-step, which you don't need to worry about, because we are going to be doing it together too, right? And if you trust your skill already, because I believe most of you are already an expert trader or advanced trader, so you could as well join the journey and document your own journey, tag me to the video, all right? And sure, I would go through it and repost on my platform too, right? So now the lowest account here is 5k and the highest here is 200k accounts. You could see that the prices are low. For the 5k accounts, you could get it for as low as $38. Yes, and I said if you use my discount code, right, you could get 20% off on this particular problem, right? So they have an account for 10k, which is $76, and 25k, which is $124, right? So up to 200k. So for the first one step, all right, the profit target, you know, is 10%, trading period unlimited, minimum trading day 0, right? So the max loss for this one now reduces. Initially for the two phase, you know, it's always 10%, but now for this one step, it is 7%, and the daily loss is 3%, right? So that's just it. And the price for 10k, because the one step starts from 10k, the price for 10k is $100, which is still low to me, right? It's still affordable. Then we have the instant accounts, right? The instant account starts from 5k to 50, not 100, not 200k. This time around it's reduced. Remember, this one is an instant funded account, but now the difference here is that the max loss reduces and the daily loss is 4%. This one is a bit higher than the first phase, the one step accounts, right? So this one, the trading period is also unlimited, the profit split up to 100%, and now the minimal trading days for this is 10 trading days. You understand? For one step it is 0 minimal trading days, and then for what's it called, two step, it is also 0 minimal trading days, right? So guys, you see, even a 200k account for the two step is $680, which is a bit cheap, and for the instant, the 5k is 160. Remember, if you use my coupon code train on the screen, right, you could also get a 20% discount off this particular price, right? So guys, what are you waiting for? Go straight to the description box, create your account. If you're still having that, wait for the next series of this particular video, that is eventually if I get a withdrawal, and also the giveaway. Who knows if you'd join, but first of all, create an account, because for you to win what's it called, the giveaway and all, you need to have an account with this particular platform, right? And also to join the challenge that I'm doing for this new month, because today is today's what, let's see, today is 23rd already. Yes, that means we are starting the ending of November. You get. So guys, go straight to the description box, click the link to join, and get an account, get everything prepared, and join my Telegram group, where I'll be updating you on the whole process, and also be posting my signals during this period for free, right? And the group itself that I'll be creating for this particular challenge, that's where I'll be giving back-to-back updates. But on the Telegram group, I'll just be dropping signal once in a while, and all for those still trying to lock into, you get. So but on that trading challenge accounts, Telegram channel, sorry, I'll be dropping all my trades there, so that if I win, you win. If I lose, yes, you could also lose too. You understand? That's one thing with trading. You understand? I'm not going to sugarcoat it or anything. You know that trading is all about risks, right? But you know, it's still worth it. Yes, it's worth it. Yes, we know it's a calculated risk, but at the same time, it's worth it at the end of the day. So guys, if you're new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on post notification to get notified on this part 2 of this particular series, because you get to make a good amount with me, guys. So see you on the next video.